We can say y equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. And there we're going to draw it there between these values, x greater than or equal to minus 3 and x less than or equal to plus 3. So we make a column here for our x values. We have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Oh, sorry about that now. Oh, I had a meltdown here. No. 0, 1, 2, and 3. So 2x squared, well, yeah, 2x squared, what's that going to be? Well, minus 3 squared is 9, and 2 of them is 18. Minus 2 squared is 4, twice that is 8. Minus 1 squared is 1, times 2 is 2. 0 squared is 0, multiply that by 2 we get 0. 1 squared is 1, times 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4, times 2 is 8. 3 squared is 9, multiplied by 2 is 18. And then we have plus 3x. What's wrong with this iPad now? So we have plus 3x here. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Then we have minus 3 there, 0, 3. 3 2s is 6. And 3 3s is 9. And then we're going to have a minus 4 every time. And then we get our y values out. So we're going to be adding these three here, 18, minus 9 and minus 4. So minus 9 and minus 4 is minus 13. So that leaves us with 5 there. 8 minus 10. That's going to be, the difference between them is 2, so it's negative 2. And we have 2, with minus 7 here, plus 2 is going to be minus 5. Then we have 0, 0 and minus 4. 2 and 3 is 5, take away 4 is 1. 8 and 6 is 14, take away 4 is 10. And 18, or let's say 9 take away 4 is 5. 18 and 5 is 23. So there's our pair, our points then are going to be on the graph. Our first one will be minus 3 will be paired with 5. So that would give us, 1 second now, get my pen sorted. That will give us minus 3 comma 5. And then we'll have minus 2. When the input is minus 2, the output of our function is minus 2. So that's minus 2, minus 1, etc. We can get the x bits ready first. So then we have closing the bracket here. And we put in a minus 5 there, minus 4, 1, 10, and 23. So we're going to draw that. So our x line or axis goes from minus 3 to plus 3, and the y axis climbs as high as 23 and as low as minus 5. So might have to do 2 or 3 attempts at this. This is the x-axis. And that's our y-axis. Well, I should have had it. Well, I should drag it down a bit. Something like that. And I can extend the y-axis up here. because we're looking for 23. So I'm going to draw that. I'm going to draw it all again. So I'm going to go quite low with the x-axis. And here's my y-axis. So we could say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And then on our y-axis we need to go to as high as 23. So, well, do we? I mean, I'll tell you, we won't bother drawing in that guy because he's too high up. We can go as far as 10. So, say that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's our y-axis. 2, 4, 6, 8, minus 10. Right, so minus 3, comma 5. This point here. We start at the origin at the center of the crosshairs here. Minus 3, we go 1, 2, 3, and we go up 5. So up to say there. So that would give us this point here. Then minus 2, start at the origin again with our fingers say, and we go 1, 2, and minus 2, and then we're going to go down 1, 2, or 1 down as far as minus 2 to there. Now I have the sneaking feeling I made a mistake here. What colour would I do this? Doesn't matter. There's minus 2, and then minus 1, minus 5 be here. Then we have 0, minus 4, starting to climb back up. 1, comma 1 is going to be there. 2, comma 10, 2 out and 10 up here. And then we can just join these lines together nice and smooth. So it's a curve. And that's our graph.